November 17th, 2022. We're in the Magnolia neighborhood of Seattle today, doing a screen and recoat on this house. Let's go in and take a look. The finish is worn through. We're going to be doing some color correction on some areas like that. Some of it's pretty minor. So we got a dining room here, living room, hallway here, bedroom, one more bedroom, another bedroom, or office, whatever they choose to make it. And the last one right here, so a total of about 1,500 square foot. We'll be working on this over the next couple of days to complete everything. So we're just getting started with the actual screening. We've gone around and done some cleaning of loose debris and dirt stuff first. We had a few nails that we had to tap in. Heads were sticking up. This is a pretty old floor, so it needed a little bit of help. We had to also remove some tape residue and tape from area rugs that were taped down. So we're ready now to start the screening process. November 18th, 2022, we're doing a little color correction here on oak hardwood floor. So as you can see there, the finish is worn off. So we need to give it some good abrasion. And now we're gonna add the color correction in there. Be ready for polyurethane after this is dry. May apply a second coat on there after it dries, but for now, I'm just gonna leave it as is. Morning, November 19th, 2022. We are putting down our first coat of polyurethane on this screen and recoat, and we're just getting started with this. That first layer of polyurethane, so satin finish on this home. We'll be putting down a total of 2 coats on here. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.